Alright, so now we're done. We're gonna got the 2025 surron here, and then we got my mates. I think it's about 8,000 watt, 8 kilowatt. We're gonna go do some testing, some comparing of the bikes, and yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do. It's a bit wet. We'll talk about the pros and cons between the bikes, and we're just gonna see how they stack up next to each other. So this bike is pushing about 6 kilowatts with an 80 amp controller, 60 volt battery, and it tops out at about 74 to about 80. That bike is running about, I don't know, probably like 6 to 7 to maybe even 8 kilowatts, running a Sabaton controller, a big hub in the back, and that probably tops out at about probably about 90 to 100, 105. But then, so you might be thinking that bike's faster, why would I get one of these and pay so much more for one of these? These bikes will destroy that bike in bumps, wheeling, going up jumps, going off jumps, upstairs, downstairs, just a lot of things like that. It's just meant for speed, and that's really just it. But these are really good for jumping, wheeling, stunting, and all that stuff. So another thing is, these bikes they're only as good as how you build them. So if you build them good, then you have hopefully a good bike. But if you don't, you're gonna have a dodgy bike, and it's gonna be not the best. These bikes, you get them from the factory like this, a little bit of maintenance here and there, and you're sweet. But another thing about the hub motors is you don't get that instant like torque. Like twist on the throttle of this, you got that like that. These you can't really. There's not much power at all off the mark. But then they pick up because they got their hubs, their big magnets and stuff. But this is running a mid-drive motor, as you can see there, mid-drive. So it sends a chain to the back, and that just gives you that, that different sort of feel. You can change your gears up. You can get it sort of differently. So we'll find a nice road. We'll do a little bit of a race or something. But yeah, other than that, we'll just record a little ride, and yeah.
3,000 watt hub motor, peaks at like 8 kilowatts. 130 top speed on the road, 168 in the air. Obviously isn't as good as a surron.
What controller are you running?
I'm running a 80 amp tune Sabaton controller.
Sabaton controller, guys.
Upgrade the Sabaton. 72 volt 30 amp battery, 3,000 pounds.
UKC Wonders.
We've got new suspension.
Triple clamp suspension.
2 or 3 right on the back, 1.6 on the front, but I need to change that. Got like just some stock brakes, pretty shit, but I'll upgrade that. Brake ignition, surron throttle,
surron seat, surron fender. But if it's up to me, I am definitely, if you had to ask me, I'm looking to get an e-bike, what should I get? I would tell you any day of the week, surron or Talaria, other than a conversion kit, because these bikes are just, it's slippery. These bikes are just so much more built for it, so much more ready to go, so much more torquey and reliable and stuff. And yeah, like you can't get much better than these bikes. Like this bike, I've been thrashing it, as you guys can see, like with all the YouTube and all the jumps and stuff. I've been thrashing this bike and I haven't had nothing. The only thing I've had on it happen is I've had a punctured tube. That's literally it. But if I was to be doing 1% of what I'm doing on this bike on any conversion kit for that matter, I have snapped rims, snapped frames. Yeah, so if you've got the money, or maybe if you've got half the money, save up a little bit more, and I would definitely get one of these bikes, because you've just got so much more to go on and stuff. crossing over the street now. Other ones. Here you go. Oh, it's so slushy through here. Oh, bro, that's bad. Yeah. Holy shit. Huh? It's not that bad. Let's show me how the real buck does it. What a save. Bro, did you see that save? Alright, Lex got the camera on now. We're gonna do another run down with his point angle, and yeah, we'll see what wins, the Lek or the surron. Alright, we're at the drag strip. Got the 2025 surron right here. We got the Lek, the 8 kilowatt, loves the dirt. We're gonna run it down the track and we'll see. We'll go. Let me warm my tires up. Ready? On the third beep, alright? I'm finished. I can't deal with this Sydney weather, bro. 5 minutes ago it was sunny, then it's pouring, then it'll be windy, then it'll be sunny. Then it'll be back to sunny, then it'll be back to pouring. There's no just fucking normal weather.